Hello, I'm Chris Gaskin. Welcome to my channel, Ultra Woody. A big welcome if you're new, and feel free to look at all my old videos. Last week's video were fridge magnets. Quick and simple way to get rid of all your scraps. Okay, down to this week's project. I've got some mahogany scraps. I'm going to cut 3 discs out of them, and I want to turn rings. And the idea is to pile rings on top of each other. I don't know whether I'm going to use 2 or 3 rings so that it's going to be this face on, that face on, and make a candlestick. So I'll have a top and a bottom, obviously. So as I say, might be 2 or might be 3. Don't know how big it's going to be. If they end up being as big as this, might only be 2, but we'll have to see how we get on. Okay, I'm going to hot glue a little disc onto there after I've cut it on the bandsaw, and then I'll turn it on the lathe. Let's see how we get on. If you're still with me, thanks for staying till the end. I've finished my candlestick, and here it is. As you can see, it's not got any finish on, but I'm about to put some Danish oil on it, and you will see it in the end photos. Okay. Oops. I've epoxied in a, I don't know what you call it, I'd say candle cup to stop the wood burning. Yeah, okay. Very pleased with it. I made 3 rings because I was initially going to have a 3rd ring on top, but instead 2 rings looks better. There we go, 2 rings. And that meant I had a spare ring, so I made a little one. Just as nice. Guess what? The wife likes them. I'm going to see them more often. They'll be around for a long time. We'll have to see. Yeah, I'm quite pleased with that. So yeah, thanks for staying till the end. Once I've put some finish on, Danish oil, I shall put them in the end shots. Alright, hope to see you next week. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and all the other stuff. Share, subscribe, make comments. Please make comments. Tell me which one you like, or if you don't like them at all, or what I could have done better. They were actually quite complicated to do, or time consuming. They were quite time consuming to do. Okay, alright then, I'll see you next week. Bye.